What is good, chat? This is BS9 and we are back with another video yet again, guys. And today I am showing you guys how I made $12,432.30. And let me see how much minutes real quick. 11:34 until 11:43. 9 minutes, guys. So in 9 minutes, BS9 made 12K in 9 minutes. It was a very good trade. It was a very easy trade, very quick trade. I got this trade, this idea as well from the freaking, from the, plays that we did. And guys, it really hit. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this right now. All I got to tell y'all beforehand though, guys, is y'all got to stay locked in, bro. Please stay locked in. Don't let these random things get a hold of you. Don't let these random people try to talk you down from what you can really do, guys. Because you can do way more than you think you could do. Trust me. You could do way more things than you think you can do. It might feel impossible now, but it's going to be possible sooner or later. You also have to remember one more thing. Don't think about feelings, bro. I'm not saying this just with trading, but this is in life, guys. This is with being with God in general. Don't think about straight feelings. You got to think about facts and faith. Those two things are going to get you to the biggest stage in the world. You know what I'm saying? And think about truth as well. So those three things are going to get you to the biggest stages of your life, to the best stages of your life, and to actually be free. Those three things are going to get you to be free. So I just had to tell y'all that beforehand, you know what I'm saying? Follow God, please. He comes first. And let's go straight to the trade right about now, chat. So as y'all can see, bro, we are in the trade. And we are on our screen, as y'all can see, guys, on the trading view. Guys, on a live account, you can't edit this. You can't edit it. You know what I'm saying? Live TradeOvate account. You can't edit none of this stuff. As you can see, we made $12,432.30, guys. You get what I'm saying? And this was the trade right here. It was a 1 to 4.29. It was a very good trade. You know, I didn't have a very big stop loss with this one. And I personally kind of expected this, but kind of at the same time, because I was aiming for highs, right? So I was aiming for new highs guaranteed above this area. But, I wasn't really expecting it to go, that much above this high right here or these highs in general. But it kind of did. So I just continued letting it go and I dragged my stop loss up as well as dragging my take profit up. That's really how I hit this trade right here. You get what I'm saying? Because I'm usually just aiming for first highs, but it went for the second highs and actually beat these highs right here. So because of that, that's how we got the full $12,432 today with this trade, guys. So let's go ahead and show y'all what exactly we did, why we did it, you know what I'm saying, and everything we're doing together with it. So guys, y'all got to understand, we're looking at the market, right? So we went ahead, we came all the way down. We started this off with literally the 830 candles and everything like that to actually check. It came down, guys. You know what I'm saying? And it started pushing down. It started consolidating by this area. It didn't move too much by this area, as y'all can see, guys. And then after that is when I realized, and I'm seeing, by the way, guys, you have to understand the point. So from 256, it went down to 152, down to 134. So it really went down about 120 points in all. It started consolidating by this exact positionings, right? And then it jumped back up the same 120 point, actually a good amount above that. Right, so 140 points right here. And then it went down from there to there's about 60 points or so, 68 points, as y'all can see. Jump back up, continuated right here, created a high at 330s. So it really beat every single previous high, as y'all can see in the previous day. Literally, guys, all of these highs have gotten beat by this high right here, guys. You know what I'm saying? So I seen that, and from the previous, times, right? And after I seen that and everything like that, guys, I continuated, right? And it kept on going down, fell all the way to 160, 158 kind of situation from 320, 330, close to 200, but not really 200, about 170 points or so. Jumped all the way back up from 160 to 270. It's about 110 points down. And then this is what happened, guys. So what basically happened at the beginning, guys, so my original idea was a sell by one of these areas, I believe, right? So let me find it. As y'all can see, we were on the S9 plays with this trade. It was a sell by this area, right? And it was a good trade, but news was today. So that kind of messed up the whole operation, the whole understanding. But I was aiming for new lows, or at least these previous lows, and maybe new lows if it continued. I was about to drag down. It would have been a perfect trade until, as y'all know, news was today. things are happening today. The market is going to be manipulated a lot. So guess what? We got stopped out, and I instantly realized that we're going to try to at least try to aim for new highs, minimum guaranteed above this. And then it obviously went all the way up here, right? And it was trying to go up here. So that's what happened. We took this with the plays. We made like $2,700 in all. And then on the funded accounts, right? And then after that, on all the funded accounts that we have, so multiple, times however much people have, right? And then that's when I stayed and kept this position about 225 and everything like that. I kept this position on NQ. And guys, I waited it out. And I understood that the market is actually trying to do the same exact thing by the same exact kind of break-even point, 225, 224.5 kind of situation right here. And that's exactly why I went for this buy right here, actually, guys, to aim for highs above these highs, these previous two highs, and to aim for these highs guaranteed. Not really above it, but it went above it and I dragged it up. So at the end of the day, I really want to say this to you guys. You always have to drag your stop loss up because anything can happen, guys. That doesn't mean be scared and just drag it up immediately. All I'm saying is, and I'll add this on to that, right, guys? While the market is going up and it's damn near about to hit your TP, y'all can drag your TP higher. Unless you have a consistency rule, unless you have certain rules that, would go against with what you're saying, guys, you can drag your take profit higher. So that's exactly what I did. I dragged it all the way up. Like, you know what I'm saying? I think I dragged to like 300, 320 or something like that. And then I just continued dragging my stop loss up, following it. Just follow it with your stop loss after that because it's a free trade, easy trade, quick trade, and it's only 9 minutes. And we made $12,432, right? So I really want to, advise you guys to please drag up. This was a very simple trade, very simple understanding. There's a lot of consolidation in the markets that you guys have to go by. You have to watch out for news many of the times that there is news because news will try to do what it can try to do to you, right? And it will try to mess you up. But at the end of the day, you got to realize and understand that, yes, there might be news. Yes, there might be this, that, and the third. But at the end of the day, you can still kind of go against it or go with your own trade. That's a correct decision, right? Because you don't want to go against the markets, but at the same time, you can contend and actually beat the markets in a way. So that's what I've done with the news. I knew it was manipulation. That's why it was bigger candles. That's why we had a little bit bigger stop loss on the second trade for the S9 plays, in which we won. And, we won all our money plus double back, right? And then after that, did the live trade, personal trade right after, guys. And it actually worked out perfectly. He made us 12 bands, guys. And, at the end of the day, guys, y'all got to understand. It's a smart decision, smart trade, smart everything. Put all these smarts together and what do you get, bro? Smarter. What do you get? Genius. I'm not a genius, guys. At the end of the day, the real genius is God. Y'all just got to follow him. You have to understand what he's trying to tell y'all with these trades and you can really continue winning these trades. You can really continue going crazy, continue winning in life because at the end of the day, you're going to go through these struggles. I do want to say this personally to y'all. You're going to go through these struggles, guys. But at the end of the day, what comes first is God. Put him first. Don't even put money first. Don't even put none of these things first. Give it all up. When you give it all up to him, it will come plus more. What you want will come plus more. Abundantly more, guys. Things that you couldn't even think would come true. Like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm trying to say, guys? Things that are impossible will come true. So please remember that. Things that are impossible will happen, will be possible, will come true. You know how crazy that sounds? You know how insane that sounds? It does sound crazy and insane, but that's the only thing that the demons and the devil and all these people can never do, guys. So I just want y'all to understand that. Quick and easy video, bro. Quick and easy trade, guys. As y'all can see, we did it, bro. We hit it yet again. You know what I'm saying? I'm taking slow trades. I'm not taking too much trades on this live account. Maybe 3 trades a week, maybe 4 trades a week at times. Maybe 2 trades a week sometimes, right? On the live account. On the funded, I'm kind of going a little bit more days, but I'm going crazy with it as well, guys. This is how you become a very OP trader. This is how you become a very good trader. By following God, by following the understanding and everything like that, guys, by the way. You know what I'm saying? And yes, by the way, no one used 38 units, guys. I legally can't even put 38 units down. So I use 10 just to let y'all know if y'all want to see the maths, right? So from here to about up by this area, as y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? A little bit less position that I actually caught it. And yeah, guys, at the end of the day, we did it. Took the trade. It was about 60 points, or a more than 60-point trade, a little bit more than 60-point trade, 65 points or something like that. And guys, I just really want to let you guys know that you have to understand, man. God comes first, everything else comes last, man. Please remember that, man. Stay shine, stay focused, man. Stay getting this money and stay trading, bro. Go crazy.